Welcome to the calm and peaceful space where simple threads of jute turn into art. Today we are creating with nature with something arty, rustic, and beautifully real. This is handmade jute and burlap jute craft and wreath making, a journey of patience, creativity, and mindfulness. Let's slow down, breathe deeply, and let our hands create peace. Jute is a gift of from nature, soft, strong, and full of character. When we craft with jute, we connect to the art itself. The rough texture under your fingerprints, the gentle sound as you twist and tie each movement. Feel grounding like meditation through touch. Each movement feels grounding like meditation through touch. In every knot, there's care. In every shape, there's attention. Handmade jute crafts carry the warmth of handmade human hands, something that no machine can ever recreate. When your hands are busy, your mind finds silence. Crafting is more than creativity, it's therapy. The world slows down, the stress begins to fade. When new minds discover old tradition and the touch of nature meets the dreams of tomorrow. For young creators, Jude is more than material. It's a teacher, it's patience, balance, and calm focus. Jude crafts helping improve mindfulness and imagination. It turns quiet afternoon into a moment of joy. Each strand reminds us that beauty grows from something simple and natural. For children, it builds imagination. For adults, it brings peace. And for everyone, it's a small act of healing. Mindfulness means being truly with your thought, quiet your breath, breathe soft. Your attention complete as you work with Jude. Watch the time of your hands. Feel the gentle pull, the sound of fiber meeting together. This is peace created by you. No brush, no pressure, just presence. Through the jute crafting, you learn to appreciate the simple, the color of natural fiber, the scent of earth, the calm in creation. Each piece becomes more than decoration, it becomes a reminder the slow movements are sacred. As you rest your hands now and look at the gentle work you have created, notice how calm your heart feels. Every small piece of jute, every wreath you make, every note and work on this, every curve carries a memory, a piece of time that you give with love. You can gift wreath, you can very beautiful create your business with this wreath. You didn't just make a decoration, you create a stillness, you built a moment of peace inside the rhythm of your own hands. Your eyes follows the pattern of the rope, soft, simple, imperfect. You're so beautiful, just like life itself. It doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful, it only needs to be real. As the day moves forward, carries this feeling with you, this slowness, the peace of connection to nature. Whenever the world feels good, too loud, remember the calm sound of jute twisting, the quiet texture between your fingers, the moment you created something from nothing. This is for mindfulness. Not just in craft but in life, in every small act of care, in every slow breath, in every simple joy that reminds you lives in the present moment. So breathe in gently and breathe out slowly. Let the calm stay with you. Let that remind you that beauty grows best when the heart is peaceful. So breathe in gently and breathe out slowly. Let the calm stay with you. Let the art remind you that busy grows best when the heart is peaceful. Thank you for being here for crafting with heart and for sharing this mindful time. Make your hands always creative, your thoughts stay kind, and your days feel gentle, just like this movement. Handmade jute craft and beautiful wreath making. You can gift them, you can create your own brand. This creativity has no limits. No boundaries. You can create very beautiful rustic thing, very beautiful jute craft ideas. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Wishing you a very, very happy festival, very, very happy, beautiful holiday togetherness. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness.